In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change skin in Minecraft with commands. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While changing your skin while playing is not possible by default, you can use specific mods or even plugins to get this to work. So that's something that I need to make very clear. You will not be able to do this process if you are playing without any mods or plugins. Sadly, by default, if you want to change your skin, you have to do it through the launcher or the website. You cannot do it using commands by default. But if you use a specific mod that I'm going to be showcasing in this video, you will be able to do this. So you will be able to download your skins and change them at any point. So as you can see, are you sure you want to change your skin? Your current skin will be changed. You can either do it online or offline. And then once you change it, it will take effect immediately. So you can clearly notice that I changed my skin on the fly. So like I said before, this will be done by using a specific mod, which is called Skin Swapper. So it is available on CurseForge. You will be able to download the mod for all of these versions here. It is updated all the way to 1.20.1, and it is going to be available for either Fabric or Forge. So you download the jar files, and once you have them downloaded, you will extract them into your mods folder. For this video, I'm not going to cover how to set up Fabric or Forge. I assume that you already know how to do it, but it is simple. You just run the installer. Then you go into the mods folder and you drop Skin Swapper jar here. Now, once this is done, you will have a newly created skins folder, and in here you can drop your custom skins. So you can find a specific one that you would like to change into, download the skin. So I'm using name MC to demonstrate this. And once you are inside of the game, you will be able to go over to options, skin customizations, and change skin. Now you can drop any skins that you've downloaded into this folder here. So for example, the skin that I just downloaded, I can just drag and drop it over here. And then if I refresh the list, it is going to appear in game, and this allows me to change the skin at any point. So I hope I was able to help. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.